restock my entire line, get one new basic scent out ASAP, and release 4 more scents before spring line. So, and I need to make stock for here as well as a market I am in at the moment. So it's a lot, and I only have one tiny little pot. So this is gonna take a while. I don't think this is gonna be one video. I think I'm gonna spread it out because it's gonna take me a long time to do this, and then I won't have anything to post. So yeah. I know a lot of you on the poll said you wanted one long video, but yeah, I don't see that happening. I will try, but this is gonna take forever. And yeah, I think this is gonna be like 2, 3, maybe 4 parts. So oh yeah, hold on. I got this new wicking tool. I'm not exactly sure which is like the top or the bottom. The side is kind of wide. So I tried using it like the bottom of the wick was here, but I don't know, I just didn't like it. So now I use it like this way, because then I don't know. But if you think this could be useful, I will link it in the description. confused because all of my calculations say that the amount of wax and everything I use should make 8 candles. Give me 5. How? What? I'm so confused. I'm an idiot. I forgot, so I made all the wax in this jug, but I can't pour into the 6 ounces with this, so I poured some into here, and it made 5. I poured 5 out of here, but I forgot about all the stuff in here. So there is no missing wax. We're good. I'm done for the day, because clearly I need sleep. So yeah. Okay, bye. Welcome to day 3. Today we're going to make the 6 ounce and 8 ounce of our She's Chill candle as well as She's Fancy. And then that will be all of the 8 and 6 ounces for the restock. So that's great. I do have mini tins, but I think that's going to be a separate video because I need more wax. So yes, let's just get started. So my camera died while I was pouring the last of the candles, so I just had to continue without filming. But now I'm going to check for sinkholes and trim the wicks, and yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. It'll probably be in fast forward, but whatever. I have to use a cutting board because when I tap the candles on the counter, the bottoms have like little ridges, and it started just denting the top, so use a cutting board now.